In this video, I will show you how to connect your Hostinger domain to your Blogger website. So what you want to do first is just go to Blogger and then go to Settings in the left menu right here. Then from within Settings, scroll down, and then under Publishing you can see Custom Domain. So go and click Custom Domain. And now here I already have one, but just go and type in the custom domain that you have bought on Hostinger and then click Save. And then if you already have one, you will need to click Update. And I can see they say we have not been able to verify your authority on this domain. So what you will need to do is basically prove that it is your domain. So to do that, you need to do two things. Enter the following two CNAMEs. So you can see right here what it is. So I'll show you how to do this. So you can see the first CNAME, the name is www and the destination is ghs.google.com. So now just go and open up Hostinger and then go to your domain right here and click Manage. And what you want to do from there is go to DNS and name servers. Now here you're just going to delete the ones that you have currently. And then here under Manage DNS Records, go and add a CNAME and name this one www for the target ghs.google.com. And that's the first CNAME. And then the other one, the name is this right here. Now this is probably different for you, so just going to copy it. Then go right here again to a CNAME. And then for the name, paste in what you just copied. And for the destination, also go and copy whatever it says right here. And paste it in for the target and then click Add Record. And then you have added both of these CNAMEs. So now go and click Save and then click Update. Now updating DNS records can actually take quite a while, but for now you can see I have now already connected my own custom domain and I've proven that I have authority of this domain. So basically that it is mine. So you just need to add those two CNAME records. Usually the first one will be the same, but the second one is probably different because this is to verify that it is your domain. So this is custom. But then on Blogger you can then see under Settings, the custom domain is now set to what I have just bought on Hostinger. So now you know how to connect your Hostinger domain to Blogger. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.